Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Joyce. Let's talk about Facebook groups again, especially when you are in a group that you did not like enough to remain in there and you just want to leave this group, but you are waiting for the group admins to remove you from the group. Guess what? You can leave by yourself, and I'm gonna show you how. Let's go to your phone now and tap on the Facebook app. Now tap on the right bottom corner and tap on groups. Then tap on the Facebook group that you want to leave, and then tap on the join button, and there you can tap on leave group. Here you have three options: on follow group, manage notifications, and leave group. Now when you tap on it, it asks you if you are sure that you want to leave the Facebook group. You can say cancel or leave group. If you choose to leave group, it will ask you why you want to leave this group. Now it says that you have left this group and asks you why you left. Choose an option. In this case, I will choose that it's not longer relevant for me. So thanks to you for your feedback, and tap on done. Now you just let Facebook know the reason why you are leaving. So you don't want to wait until the admins remove you from the group. Leave if you don't want to be there and if you don't like it anymore. It's super easy, and if you like to be part of this group again in the future, you will have to go through the approval process again by clicking on the join button. Okay? So let me know if you have any comments or questions in the comment section down below. And I really hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.